Alright, hey guys, this is Dane from Lone Wolf Paintball, and today I'm going to be going over the 2017 Lone Wolf Airsoft schedule. Lone Wolf Paintball is excited to announce that we'll be running open rec games at our Mt Clemens outdoor field during the 2017 season. With 6 different courses covering a variety of terrain and tons of game scenarios we can play, you're not going to want to miss out. Games will be on the second weekend every month at Lone Wolf Paintball, Mt Clemens. Games will start in April of 2017 and the final game will be in November. Gates will open at 10 a.m. for registration and game time will be from 11 a.m. until 6 p.m. Dates for the seasons are listed on the screen. Admission for the day will be $25 per player and includes all-day playtime, unlimited HPA fills, and for those who need charging stations, those will also be available for electric guns. You are permitted to bring your own BBs. We will be using MIA rules for all of our events. Barrel bags must be required and anyone under 18 years old will need to wear full face protection. All protective eyewear must meet MIA standards for all players. Thanks for watching this video, guys. Please be sure to subscribe to our Lone Wolf Airsoft YouTube channel, as all of our future Airsoft videos will be going on that page. Please see the link in the description for more information about that.